Let's start in child's pose with your knees wide and big toes touching. Release your hips back and down and stretch your arms in front. Begin to arrive as you slowly deepen your breath. Let your inhales pull down to the base of your belly, and then experience a softening throughout your body with your exhales. Slowly rise up. Now find a seat on your mat. Tricep stretch, left hand to right elbow. Use the left hand to gently pull the elbow a little to the left until you feel a stretch through the right tricep. And release. Other arm now, right hand to left elbow. Left elbow points to the sky, then gentle pull with the right hand. Release. Inhale, reach the arms tall. Side body stretch. Right hand grounds down. Exhale, left arm up and over. Let the left fingertips yearn towards the floor. Inhale, arms up again. Float the arms down as you exhale. Forearm stretch. Extend the right arm, right palm facing you. Then gently pull back with the left hand. Let the stretch be really gentle. Release. Inhale the arms overhead. Side body stretch. Exhale, left hand down, right arm up and over. Right hip stays anchored to the mat as you reach. Inhale the arms back up. Lower the arms. Exhale. Forearm stretch. Left arm extended. Right hand pulls back gently on the left. Keep gently pulling back on the fingers and stretch. Release. Lower the arms down. Sit tall, breathe in. Head down, breathe out. Inhale, chin up, look to the sky. Head down again, exhale. Take a few more rounds on your own. And back to center. Find tabletop. Roll over your shins and plant your hands. Mandukasana. Slide your right knee out wide, then do the same with the left. Try to keep your hips directly in line with your knees, and let your thighs be at 90-degree angles to your shins. Stretch one arm forward and then the other. Maybe rest on your forearms or reach your arms out long. Feel the shoulders open and send the chest toward the mat. Press yourself up, then have a seat on your mat again. Half saddle, left leg long, right leg bends, heel close to your glute. Sitting up tall, begin to hinge forward. Inhale, long spine, hands around the front foot. Exhale, drape the torso over the front leg. Keep your lower back long and reach your chest forward toward your extended foot. Feel the back of the leg stretch. Slowly rise. Other side now. Right leg out long, bend your left knee, heel towards your glute. Hinge from the hips and take hold of your right foot. Inhale, lengthen the low back. Exhale, release down over your front leg. Feel the back of the leg lengthen. Slowly rise up. Draw the legs in, roll over your shins, and find tabletop. Set up for corkscrew. Walk your hands a few inches forward, then step your right foot to the outside edge of your right hand. Reach your right arm back and capture your back foot. Take slow breaths as you open the front side of your back thigh. Release the back foot, back leg long. Find pigeon. Heel toe your right foot over to the left and lay the shin down. Take a breath in. And exhale, fold forward over the front thigh. Release your forehead to the ground, or make a pillow with your arms and lay your head on your forearms. Start to rise. Prep for mermaid. Reach your left hand back and take hold of your left shin or foot. Stay here or slide your toes into the left elbow crease. Maybe even reach the right arm up. Bend at the elbow until the hands connect. Whether the hands are connected or not, find a lift in the chest and a slight upper back bend here. Now let the foot go, back leg long. Return to tabletop. Corkscrew second side. Walk your hands a few inches forward, then step your left foot to the outside edge of your left hand. Reach your left arm up and back and take hold of the back foot. Feel the opening in your right hip flexor. Now let the foot go, back leg long. Find pigeon, heel toe the left foot over to the right. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, fold. Soften your face, soften your jaw. Completely release your shoulders, relax your hips. Rise back up. Mermaid, right hand to right shin or foot. Maybe slide your toes into the right elbow crease for mermaid. Maybe left arm reaches up and back and the hands connect. Maybe feel the right part of the chest and the right shoulder open. Now let the foot go, back leg long. Sweep your right leg around to the front, then make your way onto your back. Slowly pull your knees up into your chest. Exhale, knees to the left. Reach your right arm to the right, gaze right. Just settle in here and let everything be heavy. Gently unwind. Extend both legs up to the sky for shoulder stand. Push through your hands and peel up your hips, your low back, your mid back, and your upper back as you lift your feet high. Place your hands at your lower back, fingertips pointing up, and walk your elbows in toward one another so that you prop yourself up on your triceps. Begin to roll down one vertebra at a time until your legs are long on the mat. Draw your knees into your chest. Give them a squeeze. Let the knees fall to the right. Extend your left arm to the left and turn the gaze left. Melt the left shoulder down toward the mat. Slowly unwind, then draw your knees up tightly into your chest. Take one last inhale. Exhale, release the arms and the legs long on the mat for Shavasana. Stay for as much time as you would like here. Thank you for sharing your practice with us.